Hibiscus plant needs no introduction. It is one of the most common flowering plants grown at home gardens. Generally, all hibiscus plants are very much durable plants and perform well if proper care tips are followed. However, if you wish to achieve maximum flowering and get big-sized flowers, you need to apply some extra hacks and tricks. Let's discuss all these points one by one. Choosing the plant. Dig a hole in the amended planting site that is as deep as the hibiscus root ball and 2 to 3 times as wide. Carefully remove the hibiscus from its nursery container and put the bush in the planting hole. Backfill the planting hole halfway with the soil dug from the hole, and then water well to settle the plant and eliminate any air pockets. Finish filling the hole and pat down the soil around the plant. Planting location. Select a site in full sun. Hibiscus requires 6 to 8 hours of direct sun daily in order to thrive. If you live in an area prone to windy conditions, place plants in protected locations as flowers are delicate and tear easily. Sunlight. Hibiscus needs 6 to 8 hours direct sunlight not only for its growth but also to produce flowers. If your plant is newly bought from a nursery or if it's recently repotted, then you have to protect it from scorching noon sunlight like from 12 to 2 p.m. Too hot sun, especially in summer at this time of the day, can cause stress on the plant. Watering. Keep the soil surrounding the hibiscus moist but not soggy. For the first week after planting, water daily, tapering off to once every 2 days in the second week, and then about twice a week thereafter, when there is no rainfall. Choosing the container. Hibiscus actually performs well when it's slightly root-bound. So when you see this root-bound plant, do not jump into repotting it in a very large container. Prefer to choose only a slightly the next size of the container. Potting soil. The pH of soil should be slightly acidic, like 5.5 to 6.5 is the ideal pH for hibiscus. If pH is on higher side, you can alter it by adding some 10 grams of alum per liter of water and add this to your container. You can also use white distilled vinegar about 1 to 2 teaspoons per liter of water once in a month. The potting soil should well draining. So add stuff like coco peat or peat moss, perlite, and compost in proper proportions to your garden soil. Fertilizer. You can add a tablespoon bone meal per container while making your potting mix, or if it's already potted, add this little deeper into the container after removing the topsoil once every 3 to 6 months. This is very important if you want your plant loaded with flowers. Then, you can add compost like decomposed cow dung or vermicompost into the container once every 15 days or at least once a month after tilling or raking the topsoil. Pest control. Controlling pests is very important step to keep the plant healthy and blooming. Examine the plant closely for pests and insects including underside of the leaves. Common pests like whiteflies, aphids, mealybugs can be easily eliminated using neem oil 10 ml plus few drops liquid soap in 1 liter of water. Or adding oils like clove oil or eucalyptus oil increases the efficacy, especially if it's heavily infested. You can use neem oil spraying once 15 days or monthly once for maintenance even if there are no pests, and weekly twice for few weeks if it's loaded with pests. Foliar spray with Epsom salt. Once in a month, foliar spray of 1 teaspoon Epsom salt per liter of water provides magnesium needed of chlorophyll and makes your plant lush green and improves photosynthesis and overall growth and flowering. Pruning. Hibiscus blooms only last a day before closing and eventually falling off the plant. Keep the plant tidy by removing the spent blooms. Remove crossing and dead branches, and trim back the plant so that all of the stems are the same length. Growing vibrant hibiscus that lights up your garden with blooms is a rewarding experience. Apply these planting and maintenance tips, and you can enjoy abundant, colorful blooms and healthy, vigorous hibiscus plants all summer long.